In order to add these two fractions, they have to have the same denominator. I think that's what you meant by adding these the regular way, but they don't have the same denominator. So we'll have to make them have the same denominator. Here's how we do it. Think of a number that 3 and 8 both divide into without remainder. The smallest number that we can think of would be called the lowest or the least common denominator for these two fractions. Turns out that that number, we call the LCD, for these two is 24. That's the smallest one. Okay? If you're having problems finding that number, then we have to talk about that. But that's a number they both divide into. Now we have to rewrite these fractions. So this fraction is currently 1/3. We want to make it a 24 in the denominator, so I need to multiply by 8 to make that 24. Therefore, to keep the fraction equivalent to the original 1/3, multiply the numerator by the same 8. Now this fraction needs a 24 in the denominator also. It was an 8. I make a 24 by multiplying by 3. Therefore, I put that same 3 up here and multiply the existing 1 by that 3. This is called building up the fractions. Now, this is 8 over 24, and this one now is 3 over 24. Now they have the same denominators, and we can add them the way we add fractions with the same denominators, which is keep the denominator and add the numerators. So we end up with 11 over 24.